Which one's better? The Bluedio T5S or the Bluedio T6? Right after this. What's up everyone? This is your boy El Jefe, and today I'm back with a comparison review of the Bluedio T6 versus the Bluedio T5S. Now, why am I doing this? Because on every single one of my Bluedio videos, I'm getting the question,
which one's better? Bluedio T5S, Bluedio T4, Bluedio T6, Bluedio T5, Bluedio TM.
All the time I'm getting the same questions over and over and over. So figured maybe we can knock out some of these questions if I make one of these videos. Now, if you're interested in either of these headphones, I'll be leaving links to these right down in the description box below, so make sure you guys check those out. As of the making of this video, only the T5S is available on Amazon. The T6 is only available on AliExpress. So I'll be leaving links to AliExpress and Amazon right down in the description box below. Now, before we go any further, and for full disclosure, I went ahead and bought both of these headphones with my own money for the purposes of this review. Now, before I drag on any further, let's go ahead and get right into the comparison. All right, so we've got the T6 versus the T5S. Sound quality, let's start there. As far as sound quality goes, hands down, the winner is gonna be the T6. They've got all the bases covered. They've got super deep bass, awesome mids, and the crispy highs. T5S is by no means a slouch, but the bass on the T5S just does not compare to the T6. Secondly, you have the comfort. While both of these are incredibly comfortable, they're very generously padded on both the ear cups and on the headband themselves. The comfort is going to have to go to the T6 as well for the fact that they are lighter than the T5S. So as far as wear time, you'll be able to wear them a lot longer. Not only that, they sort of have a tighter fit on my head personally, so there's no issues with them slipping off if I have to bend down or if I'm moving around quickly or going up and down stairs. No worries about them falling off, which is an issue that I've had with the T4S and the T5s. So the edge, as far as comfort goes to the T6s. And then we have the active noise canceling. As far as just the pure noise cancellation portion of it goes, they both do really well. The T6 has what seems like a quieter noise cancellation, like a deeper noise cancellation, but they both still suffer from the same issue of the loss of sound quality. Now, it's less noticeable on the T6. They somehow kept some of the low frequency bass in there. So if you're listening to EDM or, hip hop with some heavy bass tracks, you can still hear the bass. You get more of a loss in the mid range. And that's more noticeable with rock music or Latin music or classical. You'll notice it there. As far as the T5S goes, you really notice it, both the loss of bass and the loss of the mid range. So again, the edge on these goes to the T6. Now, as far as controls go, I'm gonna have to give the edge to the T5S. Unlike the T6, the T5S still has all the controls on the outside of one of the ear cups. You get, your power, your power on off and sync button. You get your multifunction play pause and to answer phone calls. You also get your rocker for volume and for skipping track forward and back. So that's, those are things I like to have on headphones. And on the T6s, those were all removed. I don't know if that was for aesthetic reasons or what the deal was there. So as far as controls go, I'm gonna have to give that to the T5S. Now, the T5S do have another feature that is not featured on the T6, and that is the auto start and stop when you remove the headphones. So by that I mean, so let's say you put the T5Ss on, and let's say you take them off. The music will stop playing on its own. Put them back on, it starts playing again. It is kind of a cool feature to have, and I'm sort of surprised that they were on the T5S and not on the T6s. Not sure what happened there, but as far as that goes, edge goes to the T5S. Now, the things that they're basically the same on. Microphone quality, same. Battery life, as far as I can tell, excellent on both, so the same. Video lag and latency, neither of them have any video lag or latency, so another tie. So all in all, if I had to choose one of these two. If I was in the market where I had to choose between the T6 and the T5S, being that they're both right around the same price, personally, I'm gonna roll with the T6s. The only sad part about that is the fact that you have to order them from AliExpress and it takes so long for them to be shipped in. So hopefully Bluedio's Amazon store, gets their heads out of their puts the product up on the page so that the people here can go ahead and buy them. For me, the clear winner between these two, Bluedio T6. Hands down, no doubts about it. Not knocking the T5S, but just overall for sound quality and comfort, the T6 has got it. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this comparison review right here. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think the T5S is better than the T6? Sound off in the comment section. If you guys wanna see me compare the T6s to a different set of Bluedio headphones or perhaps a different brand of headphones that are under $60, let me know. Maybe I can try to do a comparison of those as well. And if you guys like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you guys didn't like this video, go ahead and hit the dislike button. That's totally cool too. And if you haven't done so already, consider hitting that subscribe button along with that small notification bell. And this way you never miss any of my weekly videos. So with all that being said, I hope everybody has a great week and I will see you guys in my next video.